Hi, this is our third program that we will solve. So, the third program is write a program to compute the sum of the first n terms of the following series, where series equal to 1 plus half plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus up to 1 by n. So, before we go to the solution of this problem, we have to know that there is a data type called float in C programming. So what does float mean? Float actually represents the fractional numbers. Okay, so we all know that if the fraction 1 by something x, then 1 is numerator and x is the denominator. Okay, so floating point float actually means that this means to be represent these fractional numbers. Okay, so what we will do now to solve this problem. So we have um, declared a integer number first. Okay, so the number is basically the last denominator of the series. Okay, so here like if we take 1 plus half plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 up to 1 by 4, so then the number will be 4. Okay, so we have to enter the last denominator of the series as input number. And we have taken a floating point variable, that is sum. So we will calculate the summation. So the summation from this sum variable. Okay, so what we will have to do now, we will have to access the elements one by one. Means at first 1 we have to access at first 1, then 1 by 2, then 1 by 3, then 1 by 4, and so on up to n. So we have created a for loop for this to access these elements. So 1 plus half, so 1 means basically 1 by 1, we can say that 1 by 1. Okay, so for I equal to 1, I less than equal to number, so this number is the last denominator. Okay, and I plus plus, actually means I plus plus means I equal to I plus 1, increment I by 1, that is mean by I plus plus. Okay, so what we will now do is, so sum is a floating point number, so sum equal to sum plus 1.0 divided by, so I. Now what this line will do is, let's see. Okay, so sum was initially 0. Okay, so sum equal to 0 plus 1 by I means, at first I means what? I means 1. Okay, sorry, 1. Okay, so in first iteration we have got 1. Okay, now we will not exit the loop because we have not come to number. Now we have I is just 1 and incremented as 2, so we will enter the loop as 2. Now sum equal to sum plus 1 by 2, so sum equal to what? 1. Now sum equal to, previously it was 1 and now it is 1 by 2, so sum equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now again we will the loop I will be incremented and the loop will continue. Okay, so now previously sum was what? 1 plus 1 by 2. Now 1 plus 1 by 2 plus what? 1 by I is now incremented by 1, so I is now 3, so this is basically 1 by 3, and this will continue until 1 by number. Okay, yeah, so this will continue up to that. Okay. So now when the value of I is reached to num value, then the loop will exit, okay, and print the final sum. Okay, so we will now execute the program. So enter the last denominator of the series. Okay, I am entering it as 5. Okay, so you can see here that last number is 1 by 5. Okay, so in first iteration it has been 1 by 1, so that is basically 1. So sum was initialized as 0, so sum plus 1 equal to 1. Okay, in second iteration it has been 1.5, so 1 plus 1 by 2 equal to what? 1.5. Okay, now and this continues until 1 by 5. Okay, so the final sum is this 2.28334. Okay, so and one thing more, floating point float will represent up to 6 digit precision. Okay, if you want more precision, then you can use double data type. Okay, so that's all for this program. Thank you.